Hello, welcome, and very good evening to all here in Fintube. This is the post market report of 30th of November 2022. And now we will see how the markets did today, what were our levels yesterday, and how the market respected those levels. So, as we have already discussed, that uh, this is not going to be a kind of bearish market as a number of YouTubers or so-called analysts were expecting this market to be bearish because of this shooting kind of candle uh, or a bearish hammer kind of candle on top. Generally, it happens in technical analysis that looking at such kind of uh, m- inverted hammer candle or bearish hammer candle on tops, people start guessing or start observing market on bearish side. But this is not in case of this time, because market is already in a bull run, especially for almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 days. On a month to month basis, market is already has broken out its all-time high, and today also Nifty has created its 52-week high and also its all-time high, right? So in such condition, market needs a trigger point. Any geopolitical news or bad geo financial news may trigger it towards the downside. So as we were already confirmed yesterday that it is not going to be that much bearish as it is expected by the so-called analysts, right? So what happened today? uh, as far as far as today's is concerned, so we have started our day with this I hope 30th of November candle, which comes around this. So this is 29th, yes, this is 30th. So this is the first candle where Nifty went made a very big candle here, and then throughout the it consolidated, right? uh, Throughout the day you can see this, it consolidated within a range like this. There was a clear divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Bank Nifty dragged a little bit more. If you want to see this, see the move of Bank Nifty. It started from here approximately to its so-called resistance, what we had already marked here, and ultimately it has closed. It has given a phenomenal move during its last hour. So we'll look at it when we will discuss about Bank Nifty. But as of now, see its resistance area and its support was exactly 42,800. But earlier we had also discussed this, that Bank Nifty has a very good support for area on 42,950 and 900 kind of levels, right? So 900 means today it touched around 880. The low is, you can see here, the low it the low is 883, and we have already decided that the low of the Bank Nifty or the first support should be around 900. So it respected all its levels, and ultimately it turned out to be in bullish. So first we will discuss about Nifty today. Nifty was consolidating throughout the day, and ultimately it dragged Bank Nifty towards upside and made it in a bullish move. Nifty also has touched its all-time high and 52-week high today also. So continuously it is yeah, touching its all-time high and cracking its ceiling. So we do not have the resistance area, what we call the ceiling resistance area for Nifty kept here. So as of now, what are going to be the resistance area for Nifty, at least, or what is going to be the levels, major levels for Nifty? Now let's decide this factor. So this 18,800 is going to be the major resistance for Nifty. So we will mark it with red zone, and after that this 18,900 and 19,000. Now see, this 19,000 is kind of a very strong resistance, which is you can mark it as R3, right? This is R2, which is resistance number 2, and this one is resistance number 1. So very easily we can touch this resistance 1 tomorrow, but that depends on the different scenarios of global and our domestic cues, whether market supports it overnight or not. That depends on overnight journey of the market and economy, right? So as of now, these are the three resistance areas for Nifty, whereas what should be the support area. So this consolidation period where the Nifty has consolidated a lot, so this is going to be the major support area. And as I hope this 18,600 or 650, which was kind of a little bit resistance for today, and where Nifty was consolidating around, so this 18,650 is going to be the one of the strongest support area for Nifty, right? And then after we are going to have a support of 18,550, and earlier, and ultimately this 18,500 levels, right? We are going to be bearish if we are breaking this 18,500 level. Without this we are not going to play on downside, right? So these are the levels in Nifty. At least on upper side we should be bullish up to its R2. At least R2 is achievable, and very easily it is achievable, 18,900, and maybe tomorrow it can touch its all-time high or a dream number 19,000, but that is, maybe I may be wrong, and I do have right to be wrong, right? So these are the levels in Nifty. At least on lower side it has at present it is 18,787, 18,758, right? So on lower side it has good support around 18,650, 18,650 or 80, you may, to be more specific. If we break this 18,680, we can touch this 18,550. So it should be 18,680 to be more specific, 18,680. This should be the support area for Nifty. If we are breaking this, we can touch at least its 18,600 and also 18,550, right? This is all story about Nifty. Now let's move towards Bank Nifty. What is cooking and what are the levels here in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty has had very massive move, and you can see its its last hour move. So we will first convert it into daily chart. People were very scared of this kind of candle, which is shooting star or maybe bearish hammer kind of candle or inverted hammer on tops. So this was not in case of as we have already discussed yesterday, that this is not going to be that much bearish as the sentiments were expressed by a number of analysts, right? See, Bank Nifty has already broken out a lot, and still it is creating new highs, but today I think this high is of 43,335, and today high is 43,30, 43,324. So this is 10 points still away from its all-time high. But this is just a matter of fact that it is every day breaking its all-time high. So this should not be counted in such a way, right? So now let's see what are the levels, what should be the levels today, for tomorrow at least, or in coming days. So as of now, how the market has done today on 30th of November. It opened with a little bit positiveness, but gave up during the day. But it ultimately took support around 42,900. So 42,950 were our support area, and also our second support S2, which is support 2, was around 42,900. So this 42,900 on Bank Nifty respected this 42,900, and thereafter it started moving upside gradually, and ultimately it broke out within last hour. So the last hour or last half an hour moved Bank Nifty in a bullish mode, and it is also known as bull trap. This is the finest example of a bull trap. How bulls trap bears. They keep hunting the stop losses of those who are the weak buyers, right? Those who are the weak buyers, they keep hunting the stop losses, and whenever they think that this is the saturation period and they should start moving towards their way, and in such a way they make a bull trap. They spread the trap for those weak hands, and they trap the bears, right? So when the market is already running around its all-time high, it is very general and common phenomena that people start thinking that it is overbought condition, and from here on we can consider a good reversal. Basically what happens generally, this is a general phenomena that on tops people start thinking that market has overbought, and it will start a retracement, and will start a going downside. But this is not in case of in this is not right in every case, because the sentiments, global sentiments of economic datas, geopolitical uh, cues were not that much bad as it was expected in here in technicals, right? So the thing is, uh, bulls here trapped, or the institutional bull, like FIIs. I do not have exactly the FIIs data at present. Let me refresh this, uh, whether we do have this FII data at present or not. So it's of 29th of November, so it's still it is not updated in NSE website, but I'll update it later on whenever it comes. So as I presume, FIIs have bought here almost more than 2000 crores. So this buying should be more than 2000 crores, and most probably DIIs. I do not have idea about DIIs, because DIIs don't have the right to take trades in derivatives especially, and here we are talking only about the derivatives. So DIs can take just hedge positions against their cash positions in derivatives, right? So DIs don't participate directly into the derivative market. They just have right to protect their cash positions in through the hedge of derivatives. So I hope this should be more than 2000 crores by FIIs, and let me uh, readjust what were the levels. So as our expectations yesterday, as per our yesterday expectations, Bank Nifty respected its resistance. Bank Nifty also respected its support area. The support area is not showing because there is some issue with this charting platform investing.com. But we had already marked here our 42,900 and 950 was a good support here, and it was also given in live market in our Telegram. If you have not joined our Telegram, the link is already given into the description of this video, and you can easily join that. We share our live trades, live commentaries there, and also some memes time to time. So if you are not there, you can directly join from the link which is given into the description of this video. So these are the conditions how the market did today. So and what should be the prospect for tomorrow? Let's see. So whatever the support or resistance is concerned, as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, now 42,500 is going to be the one of the major resistance, being a round figure number. If we break this 42,500, we may face again a resistance around 43,500 is the resistance, sorry. And if we are going to break this 43,500 tomorrow, we can touch this 43,800 and also 44,000 even tomorrow. But this is one of the rarest case. But when we talk about Bank Nifty, and this is almost 800 points. So 800 point is not impossible in Bank Nifty on an intraday basis. It is very common then, and on every month I think Bank Nifty moves at least 3 to 4 times more than 700 points to 900 points, or sometimes 1200 points 2 to 3 days within a month on an intraday basis. So this is not very astonishing for Bank Nifty. We can touch this 44,000 even tomorrow, but that will depend on our overnight global conditions and also our domestic cues from our nation. So market still looks in a bullish mode, as the last move of this Bank Nifty and Nifty showed us that the market is not going to be in that bearish mood, and that is a bull trap. So it was a fine example how the bull trap happens. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now this 42,300 is going to be the major support area, and from downside this 42,000, the round figure number 43,000 is the major support area. We have closed around 43,231. So this is the major support. This becomes a major support area, and the second support area is 42,900. So these are the two support areas. We are going to play bearish if Bank Nifty breaks this 42,900 and if any kind of candle of 15 minute, any kind of bearish hammer or bearish engulfing candle on 15 minute tomorrow breaks this level 42,900, we are going to play bearish, and we can touch up to this 42,600 levels also, right? So these are the levels for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I hope you are learning and also trying to draw your own levels on by your own. So if you have any queries or comments or any suggestions, you can comment into the comment section and also share with your fellows. That's it for today. Thank you very much.